Hey there, my fellow digital trailblazers. Welcome back to Xplorium. Today, we're venturing into the exhilarating world of affiliate marketing secrets. Are you ready to unlock the enigmatic secrets of building and optimizing a powerhouse affiliate website? Get ready, because the next 2 minutes will change the game. Imagine your website as a treasure chest, hiding the potential for affiliate riches. It holds the keys to your affiliate kingdom, and today, we're going to reveal them. First, the magic of domain selection. Your domain is your digital identity. Choose it wisely, for it must resonate with your niche. Now, let's summon the magic of web hosting. Speed and reliability are your secret weapons. Your website must load like lightning and never vanish. In the world of affiliate alchemy, simplicity is the philosopher's stone. Your website must be intuitive, user-friendly, and gracefully responsive. The mystic art of SEO, a source of great power. Use the sacred keywords and create engaging, captivating content that Google's algorithm will adore. And the transparency charm, wield it with honor. Let your audience know about your affiliate. Connections. Honesty is the key to trust. Now, let's dive into the ancient craft of content optimization. Tweak your content, sprinkle your affiliate links strategically, and watch your conversions multiply. Testing is the secret ritual. Experiment, track, and refine. Your website is an evolving masterpiece, and testing is the key to its continual improvement. And the final mystery we'll unveil today is the engagement spell. Call to action: share your thoughts, questions, and experiences in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more affiliate marketing wizardry. That's it for today, my friends. Thanks for joining me on this journey to building and optimizing your affiliate website.